Hi there. This video that you're about to watch is taken from my upcoming Python course on using test-driven development to deliver high-quality Python applications. In this video, we have a number of if-else statements which are spread out all over the application, and we're going to remove that duplication using polymorphism. The full course has almost 100 videos like this. So if you're interested in following the development of the course, click the subscribe button below or go to playfulpython.com. With that, enjoy the video. Here is the robot code from the previous exercise. We see that the forward method has this if-else structure. The same if-else structure is also present in the left and right methods. We want to refactor the code to remove this duplication. We do that by refactoring the conditionals into polymorphism. First off, note that I have PyTestWatch running in the background. All the tests will run every time I save the file, so we will be immediately alerted if we break something. At the moment, all the 11 tests from the previous exercise are passing. In this refactoring, we are going to be converting each direction into its own class. We start the refactoring by creating empty classes for each direction. This is a simple problem, so we could just do the whole refactoring in one go. But I'm going to show how to do the refactoring in small steps, making sure all the tests pass at every stage. Refactoring in small steps is much better when you're doing refactoring with complex code bases. So it's an important skill to learn and practice. Okay, our classes are ready. We need to take the logic in the if-else and move it into these classes. The direction will be represented by an object now. So let us create a new variable to store it. We don't want to touch the existing direction variable because that will break all the code. Remember, we want to take small steps. We can start changing the forward method now. We are going to take this calculation and move it into the north class. Whoops! 4 tests are failing, so we messed up somewhere. Good thing we have the tests auto running in the background because we immediately know when something goes wrong. This should have been an underscore here. The tests are passing again. Phew! We can now do the same thing for the other conditionals. The previous mistake shows why we want to take small steps. You will make mistakes, and they are much easier to identify and correct with small steps. Ouch, the tests are failing again. That's because we are not changing the direction objects when turning left or right. Let's do that so we get the tests passing again. You might notice that we are duplicating the logic in both the direction variables. This is called a parallel change, where both the old code and the new code coexist. The parallel change technique allows us to take small steps without having to change everything in one go. We will eventually delete the old code, but not yet. There we go. All the tests are passing again. Let us continue with the refactoring. We will now move the logic in the left method into the classes. We call this method from the conditional. That's it. We repeat this process for all the directions. All the tests are passing, so we can proceed to do the same for the right method. Okay, the tests are still green. Now did you notice something? We no longer use the direction variable, so we can get rid of it. And the code in the conditionals is all the same, so we can remove the conditionals too. Yep, the tests are still passing, so let's do the same for the left and right method. All good. And just like that, the conditionals are gone. We no longer need the direction variable, so we delete it and rename the new variable to direction. Save the file. All the tests are still green and the refactoring is now complete. That was refactoring if else into polymorphism.